I'm somebody who loves to use machine learning in my work. So using websites like longforecast.com, where they run machine learning to predict the future price trend of Bitcoin, is something that would naturally resonate to me. I want to know and understand like when the bull run or when the next bull run might start again. And using this website, they actually paint a very bleak picture about what Bitcoin's price could be. In August of next year, they predict the price to be $9,981 and September is $9,374. But when you look at the long-term picture, it just doesn't seem really reliable. Like in 2026, I don't think Bitcoin is going to be as low as 20,000, or I don't think in October of 2026, Bitcoin will be even 21,000. I think it'll be much higher than these numbers. So personally, I was thinking when we might see the next bull run, or at least the start of the next bull run, would be at the next Bitcoin halving. So if you look at the historical price trend, whenever a halving occurs, like here you go, there's one in 20, price was at 6,000, then it goes up to 40,000. Like then in 2016, it was at $500. Then it goes all the way up to $16,000. So historically speaking, the Bitcoin halving is a good indication to when we see the beginning of the new bull run. The next Bitcoin halving is in 2024, and that'll be a great time to see a new bull run because next year we'll see America regulating the crypto industry far more. However, there's something that's been on my mind is this chart from CoinCodex. And with their machine learning, they're predicting that next year we'll see Bitcoin as high as 44,000. And that seems quite surprising given the status of the economy we're in right now. So I'm like, what could justify this? And there is another prediction from Changelly, and they're quite reliable as well. They're saying that Bitcoin could be as high as around 36,000 next year. So is there anything to give these kind of numbers like credibility? That's what I need to look for. I was reading this article from Forbes today. They talk about all the usual stuff like institutional investors are coming in. I was like, yeah. BlackRock, Fidelity, they're entering the market. It's like everybody knows this. However, one thing that was interesting in the article was they did a survey of institutional investors and wealth managers, and they are quite optimistic about the near Bitcoin and Ethereum price, with 46% forecasting Bitcoin to be worth $35,000 or more within 6 months. So within 6 months, CoinCodex is predicting 25,962. And 58% of respondents are predicting that the end of the bear market will happen within 6 months, suggesting a spring price rally. So if we look closer at the CoinCodex chart, in April, it's at 30,000, and then towards the end of April, we'll see a rally up to 40,000. And then May to August, we see 50,000. So this kind of correlates with what institutional investors are currently feeling or optimistic towards the near future price trend of Bitcoin. Ethereum is also very similar in terms of expected price trends. Right? Within 6 months, CoinCodex is predicting over $2,600. Within 1 year, gosh, almost $6,700. Wow. Possibly touching $10,000 in September 3rd. That would be amazing to see Ethereum hit that kind of price.